Want to meet new girls on the Monkey app but not sure how to start? Here are the best tips to actually connect and not get skipped. When the video call starts, smile and look presentable. Don't sit in a dark room or look bored. Girls are more likely to stay if you look friendly and confident. And even a simple, "Hey, how's your day going on?" works better than just staring. Monkey is all about quick vibes. Keep the energy light and positive. Crack a small joke, compliment something real like their hairstyle or vibe. Avoid being creepy or asking personal stuff too fast. The more fun the chat, the longer they'll stay. If the conversation flows, don't rush to ask for Snapchat or Instagram right away. Instead, vibe with them for a bit. Once you've built a quick connection, say something like, "You're fun to talk to. Want to add on Snap so we can continue?" That feels natural. And that's it. First impressions, good vibe, and timing. Follow this and you'll stop getting skipped and start making real connections on Monkey. Try it out and thank me later.